Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a video all about how to clean and get things done with toddlers. So if you have little ones in your house and you find it really hard to get things done, or you just want someone that is doing the same thing you are just to make you feel better, stick around and check out this video. What I really like to do is before I start cleaning is just give the kids, but especially a toddler, just 5, 10, 15 minutes of my one-on-one attention for play. And then when I do get up to go, they are sort of happy to continue the play once I'm gone, especially if I'm close to where they're playing. So I always try and set them up wherever I'm going to be spending most of my time, and then they'll happily play and I can be right there to fix garbage trucks or chat away to them, and I can still get something done. So whether I'm cleaning or needing to do something on my phone, at this point I'm actually booking some eye appointments for my kids. The same principles work whether you're cleaning or needing to do something else. Keeping the toddler set up before you start is a great tip. Whenever I'm cleaning, I'm always thinking to myself, if I get interrupted right now, what would I be most happy that I got done? So I usually start in my kitchen. I'm usually just trying to get benches clear and dishes clean. If they don't get put away, or if I get interrupted mid-clean, I'd still rather my benches be clear than perhaps a deep clean. To believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a Now, I absolutely love to put kids' music on to help them while I'm cleaning. So again, I'm just giving him 5 or 10 minutes of my uninterrupted attention, but then I leave that music on while I'm cleaning because I'm singing to him. Even if he's playing with some other toys, we're still learning these songs and doing the actions together. So sometimes if I can see that they're getting a little bit agitated with me being away, even just another 5 or 10 minute stint is usually enough to keep them engaged. Or if that doesn't work, we can always move on to a different activity. I actually filmed this over a couple of days, so as you can see, there's many outfit changes. Now this is absolutely one of my favorite toddler activities to keep them busy. So what I do is I set him up with a little car wash in the bath, and you can actually do this with like teapots or an old tea set or even just plastic from your cupboards, and they can clean with it. So the bath isn't actually full of water, just the bucket. And so he has a great time. Normally I would just put him in with no clothes on, but because we're all filming, I put him in his swimsuit. And then I can work in my bathroom and laundry, and he's really happy to play there for a good at least 15 minutes while I can get some other stuff done. If I want to clean my bathroom or if I want to work through and fold laundry, I'll just sit outside the door and watch him. So another tip I have for you, which without fail works every time, is to just to give them a snack while you're cleaning. Again, if you can keep them in the same area as you are, that always helps. He's just always happy to sit and eat his little snack, and I can have 5 or 10 minutes to get some jobs done knowing that he's happy. Now, I actually lost my footage of this, but one of my favorite jobs to give toddlers is actually let them play with the vacuum. The worst they can do is pick up some dust. Our vacuum allows us to turn it to like a really soft power, so it's not going to suck his arm off or anything. And he will happily suck up Cheerios one at a time or Sultanas. And it's just a great way to keep him involved, and perhaps I can move on to the next job while he sort of sits there and helps me vacuum. I've said this before many times, but I'm not after perfection. I will happily vacuum around some toys on the ground anytime. This is another thing I find that toddlers really enjoy, which is just wiping down anything. If you can give them a spray bottle and a wet cloth, he will happily wash windows or wipe a table or wipe out the bathtub for me. If I'm in there, he's super happy. And I always use my time outside when I'm going to hang out any washing as like a playtime outside for him. So I'll quickly hang out the washing, and then I'll try and do it at a time of day when we have some shade, so that after we're finished, he can play outside and I've got something done as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments. If you're new, we would love to have you subscribe. Here's our latest video if you're interested, and here's some other videos that we think you might like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you'd like more videos like it, and I will catch you guys in the next one.